Hello guys, so again today we have a new vlog, and if you're looking for a third-party brand for your Sony camera with the A7 series, like the A7 IV, A7R series, A7R4, R3, A7S Mark III, A7C, A7CR, A7C2, CVE1, what else? 6700, 6600. In short, the battery, which is the FZ100. If you want to check the third party of other brand, like yeah, but a cheaper version or cheaper price for the original battery from Sony. Yes, guys, we have already the SmallRig NP-FZ100 camera battery for your Sony camera. So again, this is the small rig, guys, and we have offer on this on Bazaar. So it's 99.50 Kuwaiti dinar. So it's, yeah, it's more than half the price. Yeah, like 60%, 70% cheaper than the original price, the original camera. But let's check the quality and check the small rig um SmallRig NP does have said 100 camera battery or 4074. So let's check out. Okay guys, so this is the battery. Yeah, the SmallRig, which is 9KD 950 Kuwaiti dinar. And yeah, it's what's the power of this? So this is the battery, guys, from SmallRig. Yeah, can macro. So how many milliamperes? And let's check is 2040 milliamperes, 7.2 volts, and 14.69 watt hours. Yan. So let's try to put in the camera of Sony. This is the original battery from Sony, and this is from the small rig. So yeah, yeah, sorry. This is the original battery, and this is from the small rig battery. Okay, let's try to use the small rig battery. Yeah. We have here the A7 A1. This is the A1 camera, and it's on. Yeah, guys, so it's, yeah, it's very nice for the Sony camera. So yeah, for the half the price, of more than half the price of the have 68%. It's totally new, 68%. So, and guys, again, if you are searching for a cheaper version, battery for your Sony, which is for NP, FZ, NP, that's FZ100. So check this small rig, guys, the small rig battery from small rig. Okay, check the small rig NP-FZ100 battery. Is cheaper version for the Sony battery. So yeah. So again, I think that's it for today. Again, it's already in our bazaar. So if you want to check our bazaar here in Megastore AAB World Kuwait, you can visit us here again in Megastore Salmiya Symphony. So yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the small rig product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So again, dito na lang. Thank you, and again, I've said 100 small rig.